Woyoy! Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. And I thought I'd do something different today. Because, you know, Jamaica's a different lifestyle, people. Do you know what I'm saying? So, like, I just want to kind of give you, like, every kind of insight on Jamaica. So we're doing a lot of the vlogs that we ain't really done before, apart from this time in Jamaica. So today's vlog is about bathing in Jamaica. Yeah man, we are gonna wash with skin. So I've woke up this morning. Obviously I've got a shower in my place, but living in Jamaica, you know, especially in the countryside and places like that, not really like Kingston and Portmore, the city, but it still happens there. But more time in the countryside, enough of the time, water can get locked off. And you don't get any water, no one's got no water, you have to go shop to buy drinking water. And you have to bathe and you have to wash your clothes in the river. Do you know what I'm saying? So today we are at a place called Little Duns River, right, in Ocho Rios. And we're just gonna give you like a morning vibe, give you a little show of the area. I'm gonna have a bath, do you know what I mean? It's probably the one and only time that you lot are gonna see me have a bath. Not gonna be naked, but yeah, gonna have a bath and show you the real vibes in Jamaica, how we do it in the morning time. And I think we're gonna have a mango for breakfast. Yeah man, that's how we gotta do it, people. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? A nice chilled one today. Go on, build up your and enjoy the scenery. You understand? Yeah man. Feels nice, yeah. Yeah. Down there, there's a waterfall, and that's where we're going to be having our bath. You know what I'm saying? So, we can go on. Alright, you see that there, over there, right, people? So that is the seawater. Alright, and this is where the river water from the, obviously up there, that's coming from the mountain. The river water meets the sea water. So that line there, that's when like it wouldn't be too salty. And even if you went right up to the top of the mountain, there wouldn't be much salt in that. You could probably drink that when you're right up the top. But obviously the more it's getting down, the more it's getting saltier and saltier. And then obviously like here it would turn really salty, and then out there just pure salt, sea salt, you know? Yeah, man! Yeah, what up, babe? Yes, people! Yo, look at that! That's the ocean. Beautiful, beautiful Jamaican ocean. This is how you're meant to do it in the morning. I know the water's really loud and I didn't bring no microphones because I didn't really actually plan this. But you can just stay right there. I'm going to take a bath because I'm sweaty. Yeah, so it's fun. Yeah. That's how we do it. Give myself a little wash. Still my hair next. Man. Oh, what a blessing. So what we're gonna do now is like where you can't really get to soak. This is like the soaking spot. You get me? So and just sit here. You understand? And then just soaking in water. Yeah, man. Bathing in Jamaica. That's how we do it, man. You do it. Really.
Get Miguel's jerk yard marinade. It make your chicken taste like a god cookie. It hot?
People, click the link in the description to get yours and to purchase yours. Why?
So I've had a bath, breakfast. You can't beat that, honestly. So fresh, and it's actually mango season right now as well, so there's just mangoes everywhere. Good vibes, man. Just all the little vibes around here. It's a nice little scenery, so I'm just giving you some scenery, people. I don't know how I'm going to finish it off, but yeah, it's bathing in Jamaica. Boy, cook and vibe. So, link up the bridging. Nice! Oh, God! Boy, I'm a bridging that really cook and vibe. Big up Norris. So, here we go. He's got the raft fully outside. You understand? So, yeah, we're going to go on the raft. You get me? To the seat there. Bad boy, they're with Norris. And I said, here we go, people. When you're in Ocho Rios, there's a place called Little Duns River, all right? And what you're going to do is when you get to Little Duns River, you're going to go down, you're going to ask for Norris, right? You're going to say M.R. sent you to link Norris. When you link Norris, he's going to take care of you. And he's going to take you on this beautiful raft and take you out. You see me? So yes, people, we got all our vibes, man. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, what's in there? Norris. I mean, there will have people talk. I'm not really going to talk too much now. Just going to play some nice music. And it's going to catch our vibes and yeah, you see me? Alright.
Yeah, man, this is the same Irish machine, the tin. You know the Irish machine I tin when they sell?
Yeah,
Yeah, man, so but this is the C one.
Ah, so the CMOS. Alright, so remember we done the episode the other day with the brother from Ireland. We done an episode with somebody from Ireland. And they had the Irish moss
Yeah,
from Ireland. And so this is the Caribbean sea moss. Yeah? Minerals in that. Whole heap of minerals in that. 92 minerals in that there. People, you get me? Miss it? Yeah. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You just consume it like that right there.
You put it off, you can put it off for dry.
Yeah.
A couple days.
Alright, we're gonna use that, people. We're gonna use that on combine. Yeah, man. You know what I mean? I'm running nice. Look at that. Caribbean sea moss. So, Norris that a bit, so I've kind of got it really, huh? Salty. I ate, man. It's good, to be fair. A bit of Scotch bonnet on that. Actually, really nice. Yeah, we're eating Caribbean, Jamaican sea moss, straight out the sea. Norris just see it and just grabbed it real quick. Bad boy. So look, this is what Norris puts down when he wants to stop. He just puts that on the floor. Boom. See, look how clean the water is, man. Look. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, man. Yeah, Norris has found some almonds. Now, I've seen these enough times, you know, but I've never actually picked no fresh one or anything like that, so. Oh, there you go.
Alright.
Oh, yo, cook and vibe.
Come and take this one.
Look at this.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yo. Fresh almond, yeah?
Fresh.
Can't get better. Freshness.
Fresh from the sun.
Fresh from the sun. Big up Norris.
Alright.
Yeah, look. That's the almonds on the tree there. Proper relaxed. See me? Like my cigarette. Oi. Good vibes, you know. Yeah, so we find some almond already. We found some sea moss. You get me? I don't want to. I'm actually looking for something else now, but I'm not going to say just in case we don't find it. But if we do find it, it's a why thing. So just start taking the vibes. All right, you see these people? These are sea grapes. Now, unfortunately, they're not quite ripe yet, but all on there. Yeah. So what you know? Why you boy? Wait. All right. Let me just. All right. All right, now I don't actually mind. This is amazing. Yeah, these are something that I've heard about and I've seen, but I've never actually tried them. But even though they're not ripe yet, this is quite cool to find them. Sea grapes. That's what they're called. And yeah, these are really like hard to find. And enough people don't even know about these. You get me? So look, a couple bugs on them. But sea grapes. Look at them, man. Years old, yeah. Ancient rocks, yeah. Man. And also, people, just contact me for Norris's number. You can contact him right away. Just call him on WhatsApp. Up and running. Right. Boy, cook and vibe. Look, I just mash up myself, and that me and Norris it was a little moment. We had a little moment there. It went a little bit wrong. Why? I've scratched up my leg, right? You've seen the sea grape, just to get one sea grape so I can try it for you lot. Why? You've been made. So I'm gonna sit down before I hurt myself. It's rough. So as you can see, it will go purple in the next like 2 days. Norris said that will go purple. You get me? So yeah. So but you've seen the grapes. You get me? I've mashed myself up to get this. It's like a grape plum. A grapey plum. Nice. That's nice. Grapey plum. Kind of bit of a pineapple taste as well. Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Why? It's the big up section, people. I hope you enjoyed this. Right now, I'm in a brilliant part. This whole scenery here, you're going to soon see. But anyway, big up Shanks Murder. It's me, says big up Moko, Real G there. Big up yourself, my G. And also big up Jimmy James. He says, really enjoyed these episodes. Big up M. Appreciate the time and effort you put in. You don't know the things that people. You're soon going to see what's going on in this property right here. Why? It's Cook and Bye.